consorted by the second prince, Nestor Umblas Jr., the son of Mr. and Mrs. Nestor Umblas Jr. Let's put our hands together and welcome the second princess and the second prince. Palakpak tayo. Next was the first princess, Crystal Ann Ugale, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Fortunato Ugale, and accompanied by the first prince, Teddy Amancio Jr., the son of Mr. and Mrs. Teddy Amancio Jr. Again, let's put our hands together as we welcome the first prince and the first princess. Serbi kadagiti ari ken reyna ken dagiti prinsipe ken prinsesa na ti mangi pan iti sashes isu ni Sheila Kasuga, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kasuga. Also Manuel Kabagi, son of Mr. and Mrs. Kabagi.
Conrad Bearer, Victoria Rain Manukdog, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Manukdog. Kasuga, son of Mr. and Mrs. Kasuga. Mom of the King is Kate Angeline Tablet, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Angelo Tablet II. Lord of the Queen is Rocky Bean Torno, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Erskine Torno. The brother of the Queen.
Oy, smile ka mo ta.
He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Erskine Torno.
The bearer of the crown of the king is Wyatt Olivas, son of Mr. and Mrs. Rolly Olivas.
Yes.
And the crown of the queen, bearer Robeline Gonzalez, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez. Scepter of the king bearer is Jeline Gail T. Otaide, the daughter of Kagawad and Mrs. James Otaide. Scepter of the queen bearer is Rachel Domingo, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Raybird Domingo. Trophy bearer John Larry Domingo, son of Mr. and Mrs. Rolly Domingo. of the second princess. Another trophy bearer is B. Jarich Osaide, son of Mr. and Mrs. Richard and Kagawad Mavi Osaide. Mr. Richard and Kagawad Mavi Osaide. Another bearer is Jerome Chan, son of Mr. and Mrs. Michael Chan. Another bearer is James Amancio Jr., son Mr. and Mrs. Teddy Amancio. Another one is Marquil Kasuga, son of Mr. and Mrs. Kasuga. Inayabay ni Nanang. Another bearer is Erica Jane. I'm sorry. J. Lord Enaje, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Julius Enaje. Okay, bearer. We have Mikey Ursulong, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rizaldi Ursulong. Another bearer, Maria Patricia Joy, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roy Ursulong. Another bearer is Erica Jane Pueblas, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roque Pueblas. Ladies and gentlemen, may we all rise to welcome the Queen and the King. Our Queen is Reynalyn Torno, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Erskine Torno. And His Majesty King Warren Olivas, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Rolly Olivas. Let's give them a round of applause.